Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Muhammad Galiargia. I am class 9A.
My name is Mandi Saputra. I am class 9A.
My name is Muhammad Rafi Maulana. I am class 9A.
My name is Pandu Apriyadiwardia. I am class 9A.
Thanks good. I got an for my English test.
Oh really? Congratulations Pandus. But how about your math test?
I just do it this morning. It's quite difficult, but I can do it.
I wish we get an A for the math test.
Of course, yes. I don't want get a bad score.
All of us don't want to get a bad score too, Gali. But I am sure we will get an A score.
You really confident Pandu, but I hope so too.
Of course.